Here's a pair of the JBL Tune 720 BT headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Element 4K Smart Xumo TV via Bluetooth. First thing is go to your settings on your Element TV. If you have a remote like this, you have a settings button, the gear icon right there. If not, we can navigate directly from the TV. Go ahead and click on your home button to go to the home screen. Top left-hand side, go to that gear icon. Go ahead and highlight that. Click on OK on the remotes. From here, we're going to go down to picture and sound. So go down, picture and sound right there. OK on the remotes. From here, we're going to scroll down to audio settings. So let's go down. Oops, back up. Audio settings. OK on the remote. Here, we're going to scroll down to Bluetooth devices. So we're going to go down. Bluetooth devices right there. Click on OK. As soon as we click on OK, it's searching for available Bluetooth devices that are in pairing mode near me. So now we got to hurry up and put these into pairing mode here. If you look on the one side here, we have the buttons, we have the volume rockers and the power button. Okay, the only thing we're worried about is using the power button. We'll know that it's in pairing mode when the light here is blinking blue, 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 blue. Okay, so they're currently off. I'm going to press and hold and wait. Okay, ready, set, press and hold. Just keep holding. Just wait. It said power on. I'm going to wait. I want that blue, blue, blue. And it said pairing also, okay? So it's in pairing mode now. Now we just wait till it finds it on the TV. It already found it. Move over to pair. Click on OK on the remote. And just wait for it to connect. Oh, it just said connected on the headphones. And it should show connected up here as well. It shows connected right there. So we're all connected, we're good to go. Volume, rockers work. Now, if you guys had issues pairing or connecting issues, you can always reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below.